Hey, what's up guys, it's Ayan here from the Tech Info House, back with another video. So as you can see guys, today we are gonna unbox a portable Bluetooth speaker to be more precise, from JBL. And I purchased this from Amazon India during the Great Indian Sale, and I got this deal around 1600 Indian rupees, though the price quoted over here, as you can see, is 2699, which is of course highly overpriced, but as I said, you can get it for around 16 to 1700, and link for it will be provided in the description down below. Anyways, as you can see, it is a Bluetooth speaker. It has a 5-hour playback time, and you can receive phone calls and accept phone calls from it, and also directly talk because it has an embedded microphone, so which is a good thing of course. And there are other few more details which we are gonna talk about in the later part of the video. So for the time being, let's unbox the thing. And it is a bit plasticky for my liking actually. Anyways, as you can see, you just roll over it and that's it. Let's keep that aside, and here you get a lid. I think yes, you have to open this, as you can see. Yeah, here it is, as you can see, and here is the box, and also you get a small box. Anyways, this is the speaker. The front is a metal mesh, which is a good thing, and the whole thing is a rubberized texture, which of course is very good. And actually guys, the speaker is kind of very small, like see, it fits in my hand, so it's a good thing guys. The build quality is also really sturdy, and initial impressions are really good. So let's just keep this aside for the moment and see what's inside of this small box. Let's see, I have no idea. Maybe the charger, some documentations I see there. Anyways, okay, nothing else. So okay, we get a really colorful USB cable, micro USB to be more precise, so you can charge it. And talking about this color, you can get this speaker for several colors, be it red, yellow, green. There are tons of colors to choose from guys, and as I said, I'll provide the link if you need it. So talking about the USB cable, it's good, but I think it's really small, and I think most of you guys will charge with your own like stock charger which you have already with yourself for the phones. So here are some documentations which nobody cares about anyways, and some things, and I don't know what it is. Okay, it's a note from Harman, so good thing that. And here's again a note from Harman. Anyways, so let's now again come back to the speaker. So over the top you get your power on off button, then the Bluetooth button, then volume down, volume up, and also the phone call. As I said, it has a microphone, so you can take and receive calls. And on the right, as you can see, you also get an aux input. I think it's not an output, we'll check in the review period. And there's also micro USB port for charging, and could have been USB-C, but it is a 2015 model, so can't expect anything. Over the left, I think it is the lanyard where you can attach a strap in case you want to secure your JBL Go. And over the back you have this JBL logo in the rubberized texture, and as I told, the front is a metal mesh, which of course is a good thing. And over the bottom there are some few upliftments, as you can see. If I zoom in a bit close, as you can see, I think it is not focusing anyways, so that your speaker doesn't vibrate when you play a song or doesn't fall off. Anyways guys, let's now connect to our phone and see how it performs. Of course, it's my initial impressions. I gotta test it more before I can tell anything more about whether to purchase or not. So here we have our phone. Let's increase our brightness a bit. Let's go. Oh sorry, let's first just try to connect. So to connect, what you're gonna do is press the power button. I'm not sure what the Bluetooth button does, so let's check it out once. So okay, with the Bluetooth button you can directly connect, so that's a good thing. So let's turn on our Bluetooth. Let's see whether we get it or not. So here, as you can see, I have already paired it, so it is showing JBL Go. It is connected. Now let's go to YouTube and then go to NCS. So if someone is wondering from where I get my songs, background song, it's them guys, no copyright sound. So if in case you are interested, I'll provide the link in the description down below. So let's just play any one of the songs. My net is a bit slow. Sorry for that, my net is a bit slow guys, and I don't know the ISPs. Let's just. So here's a sample sound guys.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night.
Whoa, I just cannot believe that this little box produced that sound. My goodness, like it filled my entire room guys, and it was at max volume. It did not muffle, the sound did not get distorted, and I am really positive about this speaker, and I'm really surprised with this speaker's performance. Like, how can this tiny speaker have such a wonderful output? That too, this is just 3-watt speaker. I think so, I'll confirm that. Anyways, but seriously guys, this speaker's sound is amazing. Like, once again listen, like, oh. So there you have it guys, the JBL Go's portable speaker. And as I said, my initial impressions are really positive about it. The sound is crystal clear, the bass levels are also good for the price that you pay. Now of course there are many options in this price bracket to purchase from, but as I said, I have to test this for a long time. After that I can give a verdict whether to buy or not. But my initial impressions are really positive about the speaker. And one thing I just cannot believe till now, like, this is so small and the audio output from this is absolutely amazing. So guys, there you have it, the JBL Go speaker for you. And as I said, it's my initial impression. If in case you have any further detailed question, do comment down below. I'll definitely answer them, like, would love to answer them. And I'll definitely post a review of this speaker too. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this guys. And I made a video actually after a long time, so if there's any mistake, apologies for that. It's Owen from the Tech Info House signing off guys. Have a nice day. Peace.